So I'm going to look at reading and probably some internet. First thing I'll do, remember it's working on my very high resolution setting. Just show that to you one more time. It's 11, probably can't see that, but it's 1152,864. Bring up the Gigabyte Smart Manager, turn on rotation, and then find something to read. I'm going to bring up one of my PDFs. I'm not sure how big that one is. And flip the screen and maximize. So here we have a full PDF document, and just single tap scrolling. You get same pinch to zoom, pinch to widen, pinch to browse, standard, whatever you're accustomed to on other tablets. You can get something bigger. I think one of these is let's try, this one's a bigger document. It's the same effect. Alright, same pinch to zoom. Scroll. So Internet Explorer, browsing, just flick, scroll up and down, back and forward work. You can flick backwards, brings back up the main page. Flick the other way, goes forward, back to the article you were at. Just go back again. You can post another story. My internet is maybe kind of slow. Let's check another one here. Yeah, scroll, pinch to zoom, pinch to make smaller, pinch, yeah, and then flip backwards. Firefox, maybe, let's see here, I got Chrome. Chrome is a little bit different. And the touch doesn't touching. You can't scroll with your finger like that. You have to go either flick up or flick down for an entire page. You can't go line by line. Back and forward still work, but my Internet Explorer, I can keep my finger on the page and go line by line, whereas in Chrome that just results in a highlight. Not how Firefox on here. The other thing, what you'd notice is besides the headlines, besides the page, this should be the default zoom, the default 100%. Let's see. This is the 100% zoom. This is the amount. This is what you see of the page. And if I go into an article, that's what I see. Not as much as I see when the article opens. When I switch to my high resolution, now this is what I see. And the main page looks like this. Right? So that's the advantage of being able of enabling the higher resolution through the Windows registry. The other thing about the resolution I want to show you is if you check your email. So this is for people who check email. Here I am with the high resolution setting. You can see I've got a voice on email here, and you can see who it's from, who it's to. You can see the body of the email. There's the person's signature. It's not too small that you can't read it. Now, when I use the default resolution, so I'm going to switch back now and show you something. This is one of the reasons why I'm asking Gigabyte, begging Gigabyte to give us the 1280 by 800 resolution. As business people, when we go to read our email, it's nice and big, but we can't see what's in the email. I can see who it's to, I can see who it's from, I can see attachments, but I can't see the reader pane. I can't see the email content anymore. I'd have to probably double click each email to open it in a fresh box, which is kind of inconvenient, since I can just, if I have a higher resolution, I can get it all. Right, so switch back to high res, and I have my email content again. Probably the last thing I want to look at is the inconsistency in the keyboard. The Gigabyte keyboard launcher is much more preferred as opposed to the Windows one, and I'll show you why. With my network card. Let's go here, and I'm going to change my IP address, which is something I do pretty often. So I go here into the IP address view, and Windows is going to bring up their keyboard panel. So I punch the panel, and I begin to type the IP address that I want. So let's say 192, and the keyboard disappears. So I have to bring it up again, and I go 168, and it's gone. All right. When I use the hardware keyboard, well, the button, the hard button that Gigabyte provided, and I'm putting in the same IP address area, I can do 192, and the keyboard stays on the screen. Right? It also happens in my password field when I'm logging in. After I enter the username, and I'm using the Windows automatic keyboard, it will disappear, and I have to bring it up to put in the password. So for your next tablet Gigabyte, you must give me this button back. I need that.